Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back again in Arja Ismail. Here, I want to give you a tutorial how to basic configuration about dynamic protocol. The name is OSPF or Open Shortcut Path. And then here I want to give you the tutorial how to configure the OSPF. Okay, and now let's get into it. Now you can open the virtual machine or CPT, it doesn't matter. And then here we can upload the node or uh, the the router is same. We are using it. Now one we want to use three router. Okay, save, load. Okay, first same like in the previous video, we just connect it, and connect it. Okay, now let's turn it on. Right, right now we have three router already on. We can go into the each router. We can click it first. We need to start in the router 4, but we need to wait until it's already appeared. Right now it's already appeared all of the dialog. You can click no or and. You can just press enter. Okay, now you can enable config. Okay, that you can just type um, same like before. This is 0, no shutdown. Now we can add the IP. Now I'm gonna use the IP is 11. Okay, now you can add the IP loopback. Same like before. We are using for the loopback IP is /32. Okay, next you can directly configure the OSPF, and but if you don't want, you can go into the next router for adding the IP, or you can configure first the OSPF. Now we want to configure first the IP to each router. And after that, we will configure the routing protocol. Right now, 0/0 first, and then we can add the IP. Have to be same. Shut down and interface LO0. Then 0/1 for configure the IP that directly connected into the router. Okay, we add. Okay, that's already done. for configure the IP in router 5. You can click no, type N in the test router. Just wait. Okay, now I'll repair. Type in and copy surface 0/0 shutdown IP add to surface 0/0 we add 3. Okay, now we are done for configuring the loopback IP and the the IP that directly connected. Okay, now the IP in the interface and then in interface loopback. Okay, now we can um, do a configuration for the OSPF. You can just type router OSPF, same like before, like while we're configuring the RIP and AGRP. Now we will use the router OSPF1, and then you can type router ID first, okay, because it's must be the router ID. So just type router ID 111, okay, and you can type network sample 11.11.0 and then do wildcard mask. It's the mandatory, and then don't forget for the area. So what area that you want to put into the router per area 0. Okay, are you done? And then you can configure again for the next for the loopback IP. Okay, it's already done, and you can move into the next router, and you can repeat same like before. Add the network router ID first 2.2.2, and then network 11, and then at the area. Okay, already done, and then you can add the second one, area 0 also, and then you can add also the loopback IP into the network. Okay, just like this, and then you can see the efficiency it's already built. Okay, now we can move into the next router, router OSPF 1, and then you can router ID 3.3.3, and then network 2.0.22.0.5 area 0, and you can add also the network. Okay, now it's already done. Now it's already fully configured, and you can test do ping 3.3.3. Okay, you can see the success rate is 100%. Now the OSPF is already fully configured. Okay, I think that's all from me for the basic configuration of OSPF. So that's from mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.